Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To our returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. And if you're just joining me for the very first time, thank you so much. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what guys, we're about to have a ride of a lifetime. Straight to my gist. So yesterday after the Saturday night party, we saw Saskay and Cross in the same bed. But what happened? How did they get to that point? We saw Saskay and Cross having a conversation upstairs where the games were, right? And of course, Cross was telling Saskay that, you know what, you're a young girl, you're 21, I am 31. I see the attributes of the wife I want inside of you. I see the attributes of the mother of my kids and you. But I also understand the fact that you've got dreams and aspirations. And I don't want to use that to jeopardize your dreams and aspirations. So I'll just rather we remain friends.
I've seen some characters in you that I really admire, and I would like to have it as my mother of my kids. But if I push it too far, I know where it may amount to.
But of course, Saskay responded and said, you know what, Cross, you didn't give me the attention I needed. When I probably needed you, you were not there. You were always showing up when you wanted to show up. You were showing me the sides of you whenever you wanted to show me the sides of you. And of course, Jaypaul has always been there for her. So she was saying Jaypaul was there for her more than Cross, and that's why she's liking Jaypaul more, and that's why she likes him more even till now.
You can't blame me for feeling more towards that person, because that person is always around me and you're not.
And then we saw Saskay move into Cross's bed. At that time, it was lights out, and we saw Jaypaul in head of house lounge, who was already asleep. Moving on to my next gist. Tega is scared of being judged and judged out after she leaves the house. So Tega, in this conversation on the garden after the Saturday night party, was seated with Boma. And while they were having the conversation, she was talking about the fact, come on, she hopes she's not going to be judged and judged out because, she probably has an idea of what has gone down in the house. And she realizes the fact that most of these things could be on the internet. As soon as she gets outside of the house, she's worried about the fact that people could really come for her.
I hope I have not been judged and judged out.
Moving on to my next gist, we see Jackie and of course Michael in the room with other people. There's Nini, there's Peace and all of that, there's Angel. And guess what? It looks like Michael is probably saying a whole lot about the relationships, or he's probably saying it in the presence of people whenever he's having the conversation with Jackie, because Jackie is talking about the fact that, both of them are not compatible with their expectations in the relationship. Michael wants more baby mamas, and of course, Jackie wants the man to herself alone. So, Jackie was stating a lot of things, a lot of differences about the relationship, what Michael likes and what doesn't sit well with her.
You have your reasons why we're not compatible, and I have
which is what?
That's up to you now.
What do you mean? I told you we talked about it. Was I talking to myself?
I really don't know how these two are going to handle their relationship inside or outside of the house. But finally, on this gist, I'm going to leave you with a video for all the Imo Rose fans and the Imo Rose shippers. I'm leaving you with a video of Emmanuel giving Liquor Rose a massage.
All good.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Daniel. Until next time I come away very soon, it's bye for now.